Yeah, it's a bit more like it. Hi guys, picked up this plywood box, tray, herb garden, as it says on there, if you can see it in this light, from Poundland for £1, and my plan is to varnish it and make a little boat out of it. First thing I'm going to do, as you can probably see, there's a gap all the way around, so I'm going to seal that with 2-part epoxy. I could just use hot glue, but I shall mix up some of this, spread it all around the edges, and then I'll varnish it and then put a motor in it. I've just put tape all around the outside so that when I put the 2-part epoxy on the inside it doesn't just leak out and make a mess of my table. So I'll seal all the edges with 2-part epoxy. Several coats of varnish to waterproof it. And I've made up another Meccano outboard motor. So rubber band goes on there. That turns that, turns that, turns the propeller. And that should fit right on there. With a bit of luck. I think I'll just hot glue it in place. I could screw it in place. I'll think about that. I've got the hot glue gun on at the moment, so I might do that. It doesn't have to last long, just enough time for us to run it round. Do have a problem, because I've emptied the paddling pool because it was full of midges, flies breeding in it. So I've emptied it out. So we might just have to put the boat on there to test that it floats okay. And then we might have an outing somewhere to give it a proper run. I used hot glue, just quick and easy. Rubber band's just attached to the front handle. Looks like it might work. Might need a slightly more powerful motor though. Once it's got the extra stress of the water, it's not turning very fast at all. Yeah, okay, might have to do a bit of work on that. Oh, I think it's slipping as well. Alright, we'll look at that. Right, we'll try again with some stronger rubber bands. Yeah, it's a bit more like it. So we have a floating boat. We just need somewhere to go and float it. Yeah, okay, short and sweet. Yeah, because it's high-sided, the wind's going to take it. Okay, well, principle works. I may have to think about putting the paddling pool out again, or go into one of the ponds. But wind is definitely going to be a problem with that being high-sided like that. A little bonus, people keep suggesting I should make an electric winder for my rubber band powered toys. Well, with this one, I've left the shaft sticking out far enough that I can put my electric motor on there. But I do have to be careful not to overwind it. So there we go. An electric winder on my rubber band powered boat.